If you're watching a video, you're looking for a nice cordless vacuum. It cleans better than $600 Dyson DC-41. It's got swivel steering to make multi-surface cleanup a breeze. And vacuum also got lift-off technology. It could clean everywhere, to the shelves, to the stairs, and makes all around so easy. It cleans the hub floors with the brush roll off, and then it got swivel steering. Finally, it got 2 fold handles to clean the furniture, and then easy storage, and it's easy to empty. Finally, I'm pretty happy with the Bissell powerclean ion pet. If you're interested in buying one, check the link description for the lowest prices I could find.